Your body works day and night to heal you, but most people unknowingly fight against it. A simple Zen story reveals 10 timeless rules that can help your body regain its natural strength without depending on medicine for every small problem. Modern life teaches us to look outside ourselves whenever something feels wrong. We rush for quick fixes, fast food, endless stress, and little sleep. Then we wonder why we feel tired, anxious, and unwell. Buddhism offers a different path. It reminds us that the body and mind are deeply connected. When we care for both with wisdom, the body often begins to repair itself naturally. This does not mean we should ignore doctors or stop necessary medical treatment. Instead, it means creating the right conditions for healing. Today, we'll explore a beautiful Zen story and 10 simple rules that support your body's natural ability to recover, grow stronger, and stay healthy for years to come. Let's begin. The Zen master who rarely became sick. Long ago, travelers often visited a peaceful Zen monastery hidden among the mountains. They noticed something unusual. The monks rarely became sick. Even the oldest among them walked with calm steps, worked every day, and smiled with peaceful faces. One traveler finally asked the old Zen master, "Master, what medicine do you take?" The master smiled. "I trust medicine when it is needed," he replied. "But every day I practice 10 rules that allow the body to become its own healer." The traveler bowed and listened carefully. Those same 10 rules still hold great wisdom today. Rule 1. Eat only until you are satisfied. The master picked up a simple bowl of rice. This bowl teaches balance. He explained that many people do not stop eating when hunger ends. They stop when the plate is empty, or when the taste disappears. Every extra bite forces the body to work harder. Digestion needs energy. When we constantly overeat, the body spends less energy repairing itself. Try eating a little slower. Put your spoon down between bites. Wait a few minutes before taking another serving. You may discover that your body already has enough. A lighter stomach often creates a lighter mind. The monks believed that leaving the table slightly hungry was better than leaving completely full. Balance begins with one meal at a time. Rule 2. Sleep like it is sacred. The traveler asked why the monastery became so quiet after sunset. The master answered with a smile. When the sun rests, we rest. Sleep is not wasted time. It is when the body repairs damaged cells, strengthens the immune system, and restores the brain. Many people sacrifice sleep for work, entertainment, or endless scrolling. Then they expect their bodies to stay healthy. Imagine charging your phone only halfway every night. Soon it struggles to last through the day. Your body works the same way. Create a simple evening routine. Turn off bright screens. Read a peaceful book. Take slow breaths. Go to bed at a similar time each night. Good sleep becomes one of the greatest medicines nature has ever created. Rule 3. Move every day. The monks never rushed, but they almost never sat still for long. They swept the gardens, carried water, walked through the forest, worked with their hands. Movement keeps the body alive. You do not need an expensive gym. You do not need perfect workouts. Simple daily movement is enough. A daily walk around your neighborhood, stretching for 10 minutes, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, gardening, cleaning your home. These simple actions keep blood flowing and joints flexible. The body was built to move. When it moves with joy instead of pressure, healing becomes easier. Rule 4. Calm the mind before the body suffers. One young monk became sick after weeks of worry. The master did not begin with herbs. He began with silence. He asked the monk to sit beside the river every morning, to breathe, to listen. to simply watch the flowing water. After many days, the monk's body slowly recovered. Stress affects every part of the body. It tightens muscles, raises blood pressure, weakens the immune system, clouds clear thinking. You cannot remove every problem from life, but you can change how you meet those problems. Spend 5 quiet minutes each day. Close your eyes. Watch your breathing. Allow your thoughts to come and go without chasing them. A peaceful mind gives the body room to heal. Rule 5. Let nature become your medicine. The traveler noticed that the monks spent many hours outdoors. Even during ordinary work, the master smiled. The earth reminds us how to live. Fresh air refreshes the lungs. Morning sunlight helps regulate the body's natural clock. Trees calm the nervous system. Birdsong softens a busy mind. Many of us spend nearly every hour indoors. Then we wonder why we feel disconnected and tired. You do not need a mountain monastery. Sit beneath a tree. Walk through a park. Watch the sunrise. Feel the breeze on your face. Nature asks nothing from you, yet it quietly gives back more than we often notice. Rule 6. Choose gratitude instead of complaining. One evening, the travelers complained about the simple dinner. The rice was plain. The vegetables were ordinary. The master quietly thanked everyone who helped grow the food. Suddenly, the meal felt different. Gratitude changes more than emotions. It changes the body. When we constantly complain, stress grows. When we appreciate simple blessings, peace grows. Before sleeping tonight, think of 3 things you are thankful for. Perhaps your family, your health, a friend, clean water, or simply another sunrise. The body often relaxes when the heart becomes grateful. Healing begins where constant dissatisfaction ends. Rule 7. Drink water before you feel thirsty. The master carried a small wooden cup everywhere. He drank slowly throughout the day. He never waited until he felt exhausted. Water supports nearly every system inside the body. It helps carry nutrients, regulates temperature, supports digestion, removes waste. Many people mistake thirst for hunger or tiredness. Keep water nearby. Take small sips often. Your body quietly thanks you with better energy and clearer thinking. Simple habits create powerful results over time. Rule 8. Build strong relationships. The traveler noticed something else. No monk carried heavy burdens alone. When someone struggled, others helped without being asked. Loneliness can quietly weaken both the heart and body. Kind friendships bring comfort during difficult times. A gentle conversation can reduce stress more than many people realize. Call someone you love. Visit your parents. Listen without interrupting. Offer help without expecting anything back. Human connection nourishes us in ways food never can. The body heals better when the heart feels supported. Rule 9. Let go of what you cannot control. One day, a violent storm destroyed part of the monastery garden. The younger monks became upset. Months of work had disappeared overnight. The old master simply picked up a broom. He began cleaning the broken branches. Someone asked, "Master, are you not angry?" He smiled. Anger will not rebuild the garden. Many people carry yesterday's problems into today. They replay old mistakes. They fear tomorrow before it arrives. This endless struggle drains the body. Ask yourself one simple question. Can I change this? If the answer is yes, take action. If the answer is no, practice letting go. Peace often begins with acceptance. Rule 10. Live with purpose every morning. Before sunrise, each monk already knew what the day meant. Their work was simple, but it mattered. Purpose gives energy. People without purpose often feel tired even after resting. You do not need a perfect career. Your purpose may be caring for your family, helping neighbors, learning new skills, growing spiritually, serving others with kindness. Wake up each morning with one meaningful intention. Ask yourself, how can I make today slightly better than yesterday? Small purpose creates powerful momentum. A meaningful life supports a healthy body. The Zen master looked at the traveler one final time. These 10 rules do not promise a life without illness, he said, but they create the best conditions for healing. The body already knows what to do. We simply need to stop standing in its way. Final reflection. The greatest lesson from this Zen story is beautifully simple. Your body is always working to protect and repair you. Every healthy meal, every peaceful breath, every good night's sleep, and every act of gratitude gives it more strength to do its job. You do not need to change everything overnight. Choose one rule today. Practice it until it becomes natural. Then add another. Small daily actions often create the biggest transformations over time. Real healing grows through patience, balance, and mindful living. Thank you so much for spending this time with us here on Bodhi Ripple. If this Zen story inspired you, please give this video a like and share it with someone who could use a little more peace and balance in their life. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these 10 rules will you start practicing today? Don't forget to subscribe to Bodhi Ripple and turn on notifications so you never miss our future videos on Buddhist wisdom, mindfulness, inner peace, and simple ways to live a healthier, happier life. Until next time, may your mind stay calm, your heart stay kind, and your path be filled with peace.